So in my 2-day signature talk intensive, here's what we cover. On the morning of day one, we cover your story. We talk about what your story is. How do you craft your story? We show you a sequence to put the story together, and we actually help you craft the actual words of the story, and you script it out in a very specific way. Then in the afternoon of day one, talk about your message. What is the key message from that story? What is the wisdom that you want to share with this world that they need to know that comes from your story? And how do you present that? So we script that. And then in the morning of day two, we go through a very specific process that follows something that I developed many years ago called the high impact keynote template. And we actually craft your entire signature talk from front to back, and we script it in a very specific way. So by the time we're in the afternoon of day two, you have your signature talk entirely scripted and pretty much ready to go. And then in the afternoon of day two, we talk about your style, your signature style. How do you want to show up on the stage? Do you want to be that big, energetic sort of Tony Robbins motivational type speaker, or do you want to be somebody that's a little bit more conversational, or do you want to be more of the quiet sage? Where in there do you want to play? Where is your authentic self-expression? So we help release that on the afternoon on day two. So by the time you're finished the entire 2 days, you know what your primary story is, you have it scripted. You know what your primary message is, you have it scripted. You know what your entire signature talk is, you have it scripted, and you have a pretty good idea of what kind of persona you want to display on the stage. All that in 2 days.